Here I go again, taking some more video of my Stereo 150 amplifier. Probably my most videotaped piece that I've done yet. So I did a videotape of some of the issues I was having as I was setting it up. And then I got everything fixed and everything working tickety-boo. What I'd done is change all the capacitors and all the semiconductors on the main output board, and then I did another video of doing the filter caps because I had to wait for those to get in, and so everything was sounding good, but I hadn't actually gone back and done the DC offset and bias. I was just too excited to get it all plugged in and just to see how it sounded. Sounded okay, but I noticed that it was a bit thin, so I went back, and now I've just tweaked all of the bias settings to the correct parameters, as well as DC offset, very close to 0, which is ideal. And now she is sounding very, very sweet. I also did a couple of photos of all the components on top. I sat them on top of the amplifier that were swapped out, and it's quite an impressive amount of components that I yanked out of this thing. So essentially you got a, I wouldn't say new, but close to new. All of the aged components are basically swapped out. So this thing will last probably another 40 years. So I got my usual test piece of music here just to do a sound check. So hopefully it sounds great, which I know it does because I've already listened to it. Imaging is just stellar. Playing on Dynaco A25, an older set of speakers, but very competent speakers. The amp with this tube preamp, this micro tube preamp that I have, it's got two inputs on the back. I've got a Bluetooth receiver going into one of the inputs, and then I'm playing a high-res audio player with FLAC music through the Bluetooth. Not ideal, but hey, it sounds pretty darn good for what it is. And that tube preamp is really nice, really smooth sounding. I would normally use this preamp, but that's the next guy on the chopping block to get updated. So wanted to test this baby out, and gotta say, very happy with the outcome. So Dynaco Stereo 150 in tip-top shape, and moving on to my next project. So thank you for watching.